kami hindi magsasama sa gala.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
We just met the other day. I saw your smile from far away. I came right up to you and said, how about we sit instead? I told you my life was beginning. The moment I saw you, I was winning. Already in love before you came. Here you go.
Thank you. Good morning. So, we're already here in Vietnam. I just landed here in Noi Bai International Airport around almost 8 a.m. and I already bought my eSIM and then withdraw total of 3 million Vietnamese dong. So, in peso, that is 6,000 plus. By the way, guys, this is my first ever solo travel. So, I'm really happy about this one. So, I'll just book my Grab and see you later. Bye-bye.
Welcome, this is your life now, the wasteland where we all take a vow. With some glow due to radiation, two heads where there usually is one. On some.
tiền không giờ này là đang ngồi sửa chữa các kiểu.
Hi guys! Good morning! I'm going to Cafe Giang. So, yun yung una kong pupuntahan dahil nakakain ako ng breakfast. So, kinain ko yung tuna sandwich na binili ko kanina sa airport. Ito ko ngang mapuntahan yung Cafe Giang first kasi mas malapit yun sa hotel ko. This is the authentic egg coffee here in Hanoi.
Kanina ka lang dumating, no?
Opo.
2 a.m. din ang flight.
5 a.m. po.
Train street ka bukas.
Ngayon pong hapon din. Bye-bye po. Okay lang po isama kayo sa vlog.
Anong page mo para maano natin ma-share?
Sweet Canlas po.
Ha?
Sweet Canlas po.
So ikaw mag-edit pa rin yan?
Opo. Bye-bye po.
Bye.
Ingat po kayo. Guys, we're gonna experience the habal-habal here in Hanoi. Let's go!
Kicks, I've been looking for them all my life. Tricks, I'm playing everyone I meet, but somehow you were bulletproof, impervious to all my moves. You swept the sweeper off of his feet.
So, ayun guys, unfortunately, may time pala yung Trangkok Pagoda. Nakakasarado niya lang. So, from 7:30 a.m. to 11:15 a.m. and then 1:30 to 5 p.m.
Money, we want to go somewhere and have
Yeah,
fun.
that's right. That's actually a wise decision.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that'd be crazy. Me saying, can I have some money?
Nice meeting you as well.
Same. And where are you from?
I'm from Philippines. Yeah. So, hi guys. Good afternoon. It's already 12:06 p.m. and I just had my ice cream together with Kailin. So, we'll be going to Don Quan Temple. Sumama din siya sa akin. And tinatanong ko siya kanina pa kung saan siya pupunta. So, I guess pares kami ng pupuntahan kaya magkasama kami today. So, let's go!
Just where it was needed.
So, hi guys, good afternoon. Nandito ako ngayon sa Trang Nguyen Legend. So, this is a coffee shop situated near the Ho Chi Minh's Mausoleum. So, unfortunately, we weren't able to go inside the Ho Chi Minh's Mausoleum. One reason is because of the dress code and another reason is my tripod. So, I need to check in by past 2 p.m. And then after that, ang pupuntahan ko naman ay Rain Street. Medyo naiiwan ako ng schedule pero okay lang. Let's see. And bye.
Yes,
So this is the one I want.
Swallows will be here by dawn. When we find
Sometimes they fuck me by your language.
Oh, really?
It's really funny.
the trees will bloom and ice will melt.
Hindi ko na alam kung saan kami papunta. Kakatapos lang namin magkape. We just had our coconut coffee in Kong Cafe and then I think ito na yung last time na magkakasama kami.
A significant life, just what it was needed.
Muchi.
It's like in Japan.
So, pinatikim nila kami nitong products nila and this one's really good. The mochi one,
The
right?
coconut.
Yeah.
I never knew we could feel this way. Now that I do, I want it every day. Ooh, the way you burn. Oh, baby, the way you burn.
Here's the one power, 4 number 6, and 4 number 2. We have border 1, 0 to coefficients.
Before anything else, let's just have a quick room tour. Anong oras na? Hindi ko na nasunod yung schedule ko. Pagpasok nyo, may TV, and then we have the queen bed. We have a lamp here, and then we have 4 sockets. 2 here, and then 2 on the other side. A small bathroom. So, dito yung toilet, lavatory, and then small shower. Dito tayo sa area ng TV. So, I think this one is a smart TV. So, the coffee, sweetener, creamer is already provided, as well as the water. A kettle. We have a ref as well. Hangers or the cabinet area. So, this is the vanity mirror. And this is what I love the most. So, yun lang. And this one cost me 6,000 for 3 nights. Hi, good evening. Papunta ako ng Panglong Water Puppet Theater. Almost 5 minutes away lang siya dito. Pero late na ako kasi 6:30 talaga yung start ng show.
Ready upstairs on the left.
Okay, thank you.
What are you guys? English, what?
English. Thank you. I want.
So this one.
Likoksu. Actually, Pha pala yun. So, papunta tayo sa Pha 10 Likoksu. So, supposedly, dun dapat ako magla-lunch kanina. I'm walking from Tanglong Puppet Water Theater. Parang 9 minutes walk lang to. Papunta dun sa Pha. Papakita ko sa inyo yung rickshaw nila dito. Pedicab sa atin, pero nasa likodan yung driver. So, malapit na tayo sa Pha 10. Gutom na ako. Mabilis lang siya lakarin, guys. Kayang-kaya niya. Like, I recommend na mag-roam around kayo dito sa Old Quarter. Dito na tayo. Kakain tayo ngayon ng Pha, kung tawagin nila. So, ito yung parang noodle beef soup nila. And then, we also have yung yu twai. Hindi ko lang sure kung paano siya basahin. Pero, ito yun. So, sinasama siya dito sa beef Pha nila. Sarap ng sabaw niya. Para lang siyang mga normal na like yung sotanghon sa atin. Pero mas flavorful din. Okay. Sabi niya maglagay daw ako nito. About this. Okay. We're gonna try with this one. Parang ganun din naman. Hindi ko naubos kanina yung pabo. Medyo madami yung serving niya and then mabigat siya sa tiyan. I'm walking to the train station. Balak ko din sana kanina na hapon ako pumunta doon. Meron pa namang schedule ng daan ng tren ng gabi. So, 9:30 yun. Pero actually medyo hesitant ako kasi 9:30 medyo late na. Maaga pa yung gising ko bukas. So, pag 9:30 wala pa or 9:40 baka umuwi na ako.
Fire breath and open sky. It's not what we know, it's where we go. I grow wings and tell what goodbye. It's not what we see, it's what we choose to be. We're beyond good. I've never been so ready. Fire breath and open sky. It's not what we see, it's what we choose to be.
Hi guys, good evening. So, I know medyo nakakabother na sa mukha ko. But anyway, gusto ko lang kayong i-update. So, kanina pa ako nandito sa hotel. It's 10:42 here and 11:42 sa Philippines. Bukas may day tour ako sa Ninbin. Ang call time ay 7 AM. So, sana kayanin kong magising before 7 AM. So, ayun guys, finally, we made it solo. This has been my dream for such a long time. I think since I was in high school or early college. Iba pala talaga yung fulfillment kapag finally nagawa mo na yung sobrang tagal mo nang gustong gawin. Feeling mo hindi mo siya kaya, pero at the same time, you feel like you can really do it. I'm really blessed and thankful kasi nakita ko yung train dun sa train street. Yung train street na yun actually parang divided siya into 3 or 4 areas. Pero dire-diretso lang yun. Kasi meron lang mga streets in between them. Nakakapagod and wala pa akong proper sleep dahil maaga rin yung flight ko kanina and kagabi pa ako dumating sa airport. So, we'll see you tomorrow. We're 55. Oh, really? I feel like I should write a TikTok. If anyone wants to know anything, I can tell you. I can't be bothered to upload any videos.
Yeah, I think it's also good to share your videos to them.
I'm speaking to Grabe ng mga hagdan dito. Nakakapagod agad. Sobrang ganda guys. guys, good evening. Kanina pa kami nakauwi, around 5:30 PM. Pero nagpahinga muna ako kasi sobrang pagod talaga yung katawan ko. Sobrang init kanina, so nakakahilo din. Si Dong, yung tour guide namin, meron siyang nirecommend na kainan na laging pinupuntahan ng mga tourists, so doon tayo pupunta. And after that, siguro I'll try to just walk around the area and check some shops. Although hindi ko kailangan gumising ng maaga bukas, mas gusto kong gumising ng maaga bukas para makapag-stroll around ako sa Old Quarter dahil yun talaga yung gusto kong gawin. Last day ko na dito bukas. Yun lang. So, bibilisan ko na. So, hi guys. So, try doon sa tonight. Medyo madaming serving niya. Meron sila ito, rice noodles nila. Gocha. Tawag nila dito cha. And then, ang tawag pala sa rice noodles ay gocha. Yeah, iba yung lasa niya. Only 30 minutes.
Okay, yeah. Sit down here, please.
Di dapat ako magpapaganto pero ang lakas ng ulan and then wala akong mahanap na Grab. So dito na lang muna tayo kasi babalik din naman ako sa hotel, so might as well magpa-massage na lang din ako.
Okay.
Good morning guys! So, it's my third day here in Hanoi. Ang plan ko for today ay mag-stroll around Old Quarter and then bumili ng mga souvenirs and itry yung ibang cafe na hindi ko pa ulit napupuntahan. After nun, babalik ako para mag-ayos na ng gamit para later, pagbalik ko, okay na yung gamit ko before ako mag-check out ng 9 PM.
I can't let you go.
So, hindi niya ako pinag-helmet. Hindi ko alam kung bakit.
I just wanna tell you that. No, 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 no. Yeah. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care. Cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down, I know I might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, no.
Papunta na tayo ngayon sa Bangkok Cafe and Restaurant. Parang gusto ko ng dessert. And naglalakad lang ako papunta doon kasi walking distance lang siya. 7 minutes lang yung travel time niya papunta doon. So, lalakarin na lang natin siya. Maganda kasi mag-stroll talaga dito sa Old Quarter kasi tabi-tabi lang talaga yung mga stores dito. So, di kayo mahihirapan mamili ng mga pagbibilhan. Nasa right side ako ng 1 PM Lake. Ang ganda dito. Buti na lang hindi ganun kainit. Naglalakad. So, natupad ang ating plano na mag-stroll around dito sa One Kiem Lake. Malapit na ako dun sa hotel ko and dun sa area na yun ay madaming bilihan ng pasalubong. So, ngayon pa lang talaga ako bibili ng pasalubong. Do you have 4? Okay. Same. Okay.
Matcha. Yeah. I will bring it. one, there are 12 pieces inside, and inside this there are 6 more cakes that are already packed.
I see.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now, just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I